Can you see it? Can you see it? Honey and Gavin have spotted something, people. They have spotted something in the Cleddau River. Look. Azamara Pursuit, eh? There's Honey, she's happy. Oh, look. Oh.
Baby cow.
Oh. And there's the ship. You can see it. There it is.
You are a baby cow, aren't you?
So, we're down the marina in Milford Haven. And over there is Azamara Pursuit, and the new Oscar Wilde ferry, which I was showing you the other day, is there. And now they're going to pass each other. They're going to cross. So we're just watching it, we Gav, and Gavin, he's there. Here we go. Here's the new ferry, the Oscar Wilde, and there's Azamara Pursuit, formerly P&O Aurora, and it was Fathom as well, wasn't it? After Adonia for a bit. Then it went back to Adonia, and then Azamara have it now. Shame, that's the one P&O ship we always wanted to go, and we never managed to get on, did we? We're thinking about trying to be stowaways, aren't we, Gav? Are you thinking of being a stowaway? Well, no, that man's waving, look. He's waving. We're getting ready to go back to the ship. I wonder where they've been in Milford. I wonder what they've done. Should have asked them, shouldn't we? We know they leave at 4, don't they? So we're going to go, if we go all the way down there, we're going to drive out to St Anne's Head, and then we're going to watch the ship sail past then, aren't we? Now we're on our little road trip. We're on our way to St Anne's Head, and we've picked up the puppy. Hello, Honey. Honey, say hello to the people. Oh, look, she's there. So now we're at St Anne's Head. Well, nearly there. We're nearly by the lighthouse, aren't we? And I don't know if you can see, but there's the ocean. And just on the horizon over there, somewhere, I will flip the camera around, you'll see. You can just see the ferry in the distance that we saw when we were in town. We ready to go?
Let's go.
We're in position, aren't we, Gav? Gavin's in position. He's on dog watch. As you can see, Azamara Pursuit is there. So she's just sailing out of the Cleddau now. We're currently at St Anne's Head. It's a beautiful day, so nice. And behind me there, you can see the lighthouse. That's pretty neat. We're actually stood in a cow field at the moment, but the cows are over the other side. They're like chomping on grass and having fun. We're down here out the way, aren't we? And there is the ship. So we're just going to watch it sail past now. As you can see, she's going to sail all the way across here, right past and out to sea. And then she'll go out to, she's going to Dublin now. Dublin next. We've had a fun day. It's been fun. No, it has. And there's Azamara Pursuit. She is off. She's leaving. She's heading out to sea now. That's it for today.
Just getting off.
So we're just going to sign out. So we hope you've enjoyed this little mini adventure. It was a bit unplanned actually. We didn't expect the ship in today, so it's been loads of fun. Yeah, it's been good, isn't it?
Yes,
so
nice.
bye everybody.
Bye.
Oh, Honey says bye too. Hey,
Honey.
what have you found on it? Say bye. She says bye.